Hi guys, in this session we will see how to install Bootstrap into the Angular project. So I have opened the project in VS Code. So we can able to add Bootstrap by using node command npm install bootstrap @latest. So by doing this command we can able to get the latest version of Bootstrap. So I have already done this command and we can see the version of Bootstrap inside the package.json file. Here you can see Bootstrap. Here you can see 4.6 is the latest version. Once you are done with this command, you can automatically see this in the package.json, so that we can able to add inside the angular.json file. So let's navigate to the angular.json file. So we have to give the path inside the styles. So it will be present inside the node modules /bootstrap/dist/css. We can give the minified version of the Bootstrap. bootstrap.min.css. So we have given this one successfully here, bootstrap.min.css. Let's go to the browser and go to the official Bootstrap documentation, so that we can able to copy from the Bootstrap. So let's copy the navbar code and paste it inside the header component. So here you can see the different types of navbars. We can copy anyone. So let's copy this one. As we have already created header component, let's paste this code inside the header component. Here you can see we have added navbar code into the header.component.html, and we need to include that header component inside the app component. So app-header is the selector. Here you can see the selector app-header. We copied the selector and pasted inside the app.component.html. So let's go to the browser. Here you can see we got the navbar, but it is not visible. Let's add some dark color to the navbar. So here bg light is the Bootstrap class. We can change it to bg dark, so that we can able to get the black color. Here you can see we successfully added the navbar and we have changed the class to bg dark. So all these are the Bootstrap classes we can able to access. So this is the first way to add the Bootstrap into the Angular project. Here you can able to add the same thing into the style.css also. Let's remove this from here and go to the style.css. Here you can paste this one, import, and you can give the path. So let's remove this node modules in front of it, add some tilt symbol and import. So in this way also we can able to add the Bootstrap to the Angular project. This will also work as expected. So in the first way what we have done, we have added that part to the angular.json file. So that is the first approach. Here you can able to add that path, or you can able to add that path to the style.css. So these are the two approaches which are recommended. Otherwise you can able to give the CDN link to the index.html file. So index.html, here you can able to give Bootstrap CDN. Let's go to the home page. We can get the CDN files. This is for the Bootstrap 5th version. Here you can copy the CDN file and paste it inside the index.html. When you give this one, At that time you no need to do anything, like no need to import into the style.css or no need to add to the angular.jsm. So these are the 3 ways guys where we can add the Bootstrap to the Angular. So that's it for this session, and we'll see in the next session. Thank you guys for watching.